What if the government secretly experimented on human minds without their consent? What if ordinary people were turned into test subjects in a hidden psychological war? In the early years of the Cold War, fear ruled the world. The United States believed its enemies were developing powerful mind control techniques. The CIA wanted to know one thing: could the human mind be controlled? So in 1953, they launched a top-secret program called MKUltra. Officially, the project didn't exist. Documents were hidden, scientists were sworn to secrecy, and experiments were conducted behind closed doors. But what exactly were they trying to do? The CIA funded dozens of secret experiments across universities, hospitals, and research centers. Their goal was chilling: find a way to control human behavior. One of their main tools was LSD, a powerful hallucinogenic drug. Subjects were often given the drug without their knowledge. Some were prisoners, some were hospital patients, and shockingly, some were just ordinary citizens who had no idea they were part of a government experiment. Imagine suddenly losing control of your mind, seeing terrifying hallucinations, and not even knowing why. Researchers observed how people reacted. Could fear break someone's will? Could drugs force someone to reveal secrets? Could a person be programmed to obey commands? These were the questions driving the project. One disturbing case involved a scientist named Frank Olson. He unknowingly consumed LSD during a CIA experiment. Days later, he fell from a hotel window and died. Officially, it was called a suicide. But decades later, his family began asking questions. Was it really suicide or something much darker? For years, MKUltra remained buried in secrecy. Then, in the 1970s, during government investigations, the shocking truth began to surface. Congress discovered that the CIA had conducted hundreds of experiments on human subjects. But there was a problem. In 1973, the CIA director ordered most MKUltra documents destroyed. Why destroy the evidence? What exactly were they trying to hide? Because of that decision, many details of the program may never be known. We do know this: over 150 different experiments were conducted involving drugs, hypnosis, psychological torture, and mind-altering techniques. Some researchers even explored whether a person could be turned into a Manchurian candidate, a sleeper agent programmed to carry out missions without remembering them. Sounds like science fiction, right? Yet the project was real. When the scandal became public, it shocked America. Many victims had never agreed to be part of the experiments. Some suffered lifelong psychological damage. The CIA later apologized for parts of the program, but many questions still remain unanswered. How far did the experiments really go? Were there successful mind control techniques that were never revealed? And could programs like this still exist today, hidden behind classified files? The mystery of MKUltra continues to fascinate historians and conspiracy researchers alike, because sometimes the most disturbing mysteries are the ones that actually happened. If you love history mysteries and hidden secrets, subscribe for more shocking stories.